Do any of you have any idea how important plants really are? Plants are the most important and vital part in the cycle of nature. Without plants, there are no life on Earth. They are the primary producers that sustain all other life forms. This is so because plants are the only organisms that can produce their own food. We depend on them for the air we breathe, for the food we eat, for shelter, and for the medicines that are used. Today I'm going to give you information on the importance of plants, how they clean the air, how they produce food, and how they're used for medicines. Scientists believe today that there are 260,000 species of plants. 90% of all plants on our planet exist in the more tropical areas, and it is in those regions where the extinction rate is the highest, according to the National Tropical Botanical Gardens. Plants generate the oxygen, food, fibers, fuel, and medicine that allow us humans and other life forms to exist. The oxygen we breathe comes from plants. Through photosynthesis, plants take energy from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and water and minerals from the soil. Photosynthesis cleans out air by absorbing carbon dioxide and by taking in certain other pollutants. In the article Blue Planet Biomes by Brian Schaefer, leaves are the main food making part of the plant. They capture energy from sunlight and turn the water and carbon dioxide into sugar and starch. The sugar and starch then becomes the food that provides plants with energy to grow, to produce flowers and seeds. Many people today are allergic to the medicines that are used in hospitals or prescription drugs that are given by doctors. So instead they use plant medicines. Scientist Dr. Bill Wolverton in the article The Plants and Garden Zone says it is estimated by the World Health Organization that approximately 75 to 80% of the world's population use plant medicines either in part or entirely. For many, this is out of necessity, but since many cannot afford the high cost of pharmaceutical drugs, growing numbers of Americans' healthcare consumers are turning to plant medicines for many reasons. One of two reasons are: one is for low cost, and two are for seeking natural alternatives with fewer side effects. Plants also provide us with many natural minerals such as heat, cotton, wood, paper, linen, vegetable oils, some types of ropes, and rubber. Sugarcane, rapeseed, soy, and other plants with a high sugar oil content have recently been put to use as sources of biofuels, which are important alternatives to fossil fuels. Scientists also shows in studies that the corn is being as a useful source for cheaper gasoline, and corn also comes from plants. So as you can see, plants are very meaningful to us in our everyday life. In conclusion to that information that I have provided you with today, I hope you have gained knowledge on the importance of plants, how they clean the air, produce their food, and how they're used for different medicines. Thank you.